So this week in math, we've been working on subtracting numbers, and the students have learned a new strategy called partial difference subtraction. So I'm just going to show you an example of this. So if you have the number, let's say 3,426, and you're going to subtract 2,517, the traditional way is that you would start on the right and you would first have to borrow. But in this way, we're going to focus on place value, so we're actually going to start on the left. What's important to remember is that if the number on top is bigger, it's going to be positive, and if the number on the bottom is bigger, it'll be negative. So we're first just going to look at, we're going to forget the numbers after the 3 and 2, so it's just going to be 3,000 and 2,000. So 3,000 minus 2,000 is 1,000, and it's going to be positive because our bigger number was on top. Now we're going to move over to the 400 and the 500. Now our number on bottom is bigger, so we're going to take 500 minus 400. That's going to give us 100, but it's going to be negative because that bottom number was bigger. Then we're going to go to 20 and 10, and that'll give us 10, and it'll be positive because of that top number being bigger. And then lastly, we'll go over to the 6 and the 7, and that'll be a negative 1 because you'll take 7 minus 6. From there, students can either do this in their head, or if they need to write it out, that is okay. But they'll take the 1,000, and they're going to do first subtracting because the 1,000 is positive, so they will then subtract 100, so they'll have 900. Then they're going to add 10 because that 10 is positive, so they'll have 910. Then they're going to subtract 1 because of that negative 1, so they will end up with 909. So they'll get the same answer as if they did it traditionally and borrowed, but this way students can see exactly that place value and how much the 3 is worth and the 4 is worth in each number in each place.